Yes, sir.
So now this minus a cross a mod c sine beta will come this side, it will become positive. Now you can notice it both the sides something is common. What is common in both the sides? Mod c and check it everybody. Mod c and mod c is common. So that finally what we have everyone. So we have mod b sine alpha which is equals to mod a sine beta. So send this sine beta this side and send this sine alpha this side so that it will become what? Everybody. Sorry, mod b divided by sine beta which is equals to mod a divided by sine alpha. Is it right or wrong? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what. So of course mod a value means b only. So b by sine beta, which is, I will write it as a by sine alpha, which is equals to b by sine beta. Is it right or wrong? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember it. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Okay. Now this is the first part. Now let us verify next one. So this clockwise, anti-clockwise, be remembered always. So we are going to A to B so that it will be clockwise, that inwards. Our thumb will represent into the page. Like 10th class physics, you remember that. So into the page. And when we are coming to the B to C, our thumb will indicating outwards. So that out of the page. Is it okay, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Now, next, I will use entirely different colors so that you can understand. So let us see next one. So again, same thing. Start from the first. So we all know if it is the same order, then what will happen? Vector A plus, vector B plus, vector C, which is equals to what? Everybody? 0.
0.
Now this time, now C over. Now entire sum you multiply with the B next. Okay. So B, so I'm multiplying with the B, so which is equals to 0 into B. Now, anything into 0, it will turn into 0. Now, this one you tell me. A into B, what will happen? Vector A into vector B plus. Next, B into B. B into
Vector.
plus
Vector.
C into B. So vector C into vector B. Okay, that is what. Now itself I am saying. Be very careful, all of you. Now see, if B to C is anti-clockwise means, then C to B, what will happen, guys? Now we are going C to B. So it is what will happen. So now we are going C to B. So that it will have, what will happen? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Everybody.
Clockwise.
It will become clockwise, and as well as our thumb will represent into the
Inwards.
page or out to the page. It is
Into the page.
So inwards means it is a negative or positive. Everybody.
Negative.
Negative. Same way. Next, first one. A to B. Observe very carefully and tell me. We are moving to A to B. So you can observe it is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. See that out of the page or outwards or inwards. Yes, please.
Outward.
Yeah, outwards. Understanding? It is outwards, anti-clockwise. So it is positive or negative? Yes, please.
Positive.
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 This, if you understand, is very, very simple. Nothing else is there. That's all. So we can proceed it. So now, A cross B, tell me. So we know that B cross B, what is that? In a cross product, anything, same thing will become
0.
0. Directly I'm striking. Okay, brothers? Now, mod A into mod B, sorry, mod A cross B, tell me, what is the formula? Mod A, mod B, what will happen
Mod
here?
B.
Yes, please. Here, what will happen? A and B, what is the gamma is present? So what will happen? In interior exterior, A and B gamma is present. So what will happen? Sine, everybody.
180.
Sine 180 minus gamma. Okay. Next,
Gamma.
plus B cross B is 0. Next, C cross B, you can see it. Mod C, mod B,
Mod C into mod B
sine
into sine
B cross
80
C.
minus.
What is there? B cross C, everybody. Alpha is present. So alpha means what? Alpha or 180 minus alpha. Everybody?
180 minus
180
alpha.
minus alpha.
Sine 180 minus alpha, which is equals to what? 0. Okay. That is what? Next. So this one I can write mod A, mod B, sine 180 minus theta. What is that? Sine 180 minus theta. All of you? Which is equals to
Theta.
sine theta. Okay. So which is equals to sine gamma plus mod C, mod B into sine
Sine
180 minus
alpha.
alpha. Sine alpha is equals
Sine alpha.
so just now we have found A to B, positive or negative or outwards,
Positive.
outwards, so that it is positive. And C to B, it is what? Inwards, inwards.
Negative.
it is what? Everybody, negative. Any doubt? Anyone can ask. Clear? So that it will turns into mod A, mod B, sine beta, sorry, sine gamma minus mod C, mod B, sine alpha. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Resultant.
Yes,
That is
sir.
what you have
Yes,
to remember. So it will turns into mod A, mod B, sine gamma, this equals to mod C, mod B, sine alpha. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen? Both the sides something is common. Mod B is common. So that sine gamma will come this side, sine alpha will come this side. So A by sine alpha, which is equals to, what is that? C by
C by
sine.
gamma.
Okay. So it is proved that even third one you want, you can do it. Is it okay, Ra? Third one, if you want, you can solve it. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So from this we can prove sine law. What is sine law? A divided by sine alpha, which is equals to B divided by sine beta, which is equals to C divided by sine.
Gamma.
So this is only called as sine law. Understanding and proof also. Now, you people want to try instead of now C over B over. So instead of whole vector, you have to multiply with what? Everybody? You can multiply with the, yes, please.
Sir, directly A by
Understand?
sine alpha is common, sir.
Yes,
Directly
sir.
we can put from 1 and 2 equal.
Yeah, directly we can put this one, but if you want to try, you can try it. Nothing wrong in that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, your choice it is. Your choice. That's what I'm saying. Of course, by saying one itself, I can say that. But you should be experienced it. That's what we are solving to. Understand? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, third one, I know, of course, by comparing 1 and 2, I can say that. But you want, you can try it so that you will experience it. That clockwise, anti-clockwise, you will experience it. Understand? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what you have to know. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is all about the vectors. Now, in this chapter, only next two concepts is remaining. Just a minute. So if you take actually the concepts, this is chapter number 3. Am I correct, everybody?
Sir.
Yeah. So just a minute. So I think projectile motion is remaining and as well as circular motion is remaining. So other than that, most of the things I covered already. So if you take this motion in a plane, of course, we are not only studying from NCERT. Whatever we are studying, everything is for the common syllabus for all the things, all the exams also. So we completed already. You can notice it. So this is actually, where is the comments? Okay. So you can see here, introduction to scalar vectors over multiplication of vectors by real numbers, addition and subtraction by graphical method, resolution of vectors, vector addition, analytical method. That is what we are studying now. And motion in a plane, this is missing. Motion in a plane with constant acceleration, projectile motion, and uniform circular motion. These three things are remaining. These three things alone we'll discuss actually after 2 or 3 days. So till here, almost we completed everything. Now, whenever time permits, up to 3.6, everything you have to read the text and you have to understand, find a little bit more number of things you can find it. What I taught, more than this you can find in this book. So whatever we studied, everything will be there here and it will also improve. Take 2 days time, 3 days time. So till here, all of you must read and complete it. Can you able to see the screen, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
still you have to solve vector addition. So all the methods, 3 methods, that is what tail to tail method, head to head method, all the things I have taught you. So till here, 3.6, you have to find it, resultant vector. So till here, like this sums we have solved or not? Remembered, all of you, forming the projectile,
Yes,
that is. So that till here you have to complete it. Then motion in a plane and as well as acceleration and the remaining things like motion in plane with a constant acceleration, and this is projectile motion. This is the most important one for NEET and as well as JEE. So projectile motion after circular motion. Over means this chapter will be completed. So till here you complete it. Take the book. I think already so many of you are purchased the books also. Am I correct? So it is okay. So take your time, 2 or 3 days, definitely. Of course, I also need some time for preparation also because I'm having a school from Friday. So definitely, so we'll try to finish at least this chapter by this month end so that next month hardly we'll finish the part 1 book. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? most probably we can finish it. Nothing wrong in that, because 3 chapters over, then remaining 4 chapters only. So 2 months, 1 month, 2 chapters, averagely we can finish it. There's nothing, okay? So we can complete it. So kindly focus well. Anything, anybody having doubt, you can ask me. So till here you solve it. I'll try to send the worksheet also by tomorrow, and everything go through well. And today I have shared you again something units and measurements and all you can see. So please kindly solve, and once again I'll update the class after definitely 2 or 3 days after. Okay. Thank you everybody. We'll meet later.